In July 2025, relentless storms unleashed catastrophic flooding across New Mexico, bringing chaos to multiple communities. Torrential rains overwhelmed drainage systems, rivers burst their banks, and flash floods turned roads into rivers within minutes. This video provides comprehensive coverage of the disaster, featuring dramatic footage, eyewitness accounts, damage reports, and responses from emergency services. Most affected areas include Albuquerque, historic flooding along the Rio Grande, major roadways submerged, Bosque trails destroyed. Santa Fe, multiple homes evacuated. Las Cruces, dam overflow and widespread infrastructure damage in the Mesilla Valley. Roswell, Pecos River overflowed, flooding large sections of farmland and roads. Taos Northern NM, mountain runoff triggered landslides and washed out bridges. Ruidoso and Lincoln County, emergency declarations due to flash flooding and mudslides near burn scar areas. Gallup and Grant, heavy rainfall closed portions of I-40. Navajo Nation reports damage in nearby communities. Rescue workers helmet emergency response and community impact.